A B&B renovation doesn't have to drain your bank account. Learn how to set a realistic budget and stick to it.
Hey there, amazing viewers. Enjoy our episodes? Don't just hover around, dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of bed and breakfast knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling.
Renovating your bed and breakfast can be an exciting way to enhance your guests' experience, but it's also a significant project that requires careful planning. Whether you're giving your guest rooms a facelift or making major structural changes, renovations can be a game changer for your B&B's appeal. However, staying on budget and a timeline is critical, especially when you're managing the day-to-day operations of your business. In this episode, I'll discuss the best practices for planning your B&B renovations, working effectively with your contractors, and ensuring your project stays on track from start to finish. Before you start knocking down walls or buying new furniture, take time to develop a clear plan for your renovation. Without proper planning, it's easy to overspend, fall behind schedule, and run into unexpected issues that could have been avoided. You have to define your goals and priorities. Start by identifying areas of your B&B that need improvement. Are you upgrading guest rooms, redoing the bathrooms, or creating new common spaces? Once you know what needs to be done, prioritize these renovations based on your budget and the potential impact of your guests' experience. For instance, updating bathrooms or kitchens can significantly boost your B&B's appeal, whereas a new coat of paint or refreshed decor might be lower on the list. Always focus on improvements that will enhance the comfort and functionality for your guests. Make sure to set a realistic budget. Renovations can get expensive fast, so it's important to set a budget that you are comfortable with. Be sure to include a 10 to 20% buffer for unexpected costs, as renovations, especially in older buildings, often uncover issues like outdated wiring, plumbing problems, or structural repairs. Break your budget into categories such as materials, labor, permits, and decor. This will help you keep track of your spending and make adjustments if necessary. One bed and breakfast owner I know planned a simple kitchen upgrade, but quickly discovered that the plumbing was outdated and needed full replacement. The unexpected expense could have derailed the project if they hadn't built in a buffer to their budget.
Are you dreaming of running your own bed and breakfast but feel overwhelmed by where to start? Or maybe you're already an owner looking to take your B&B to the next level. Welcome to the Mastering B&B Management, comprehensive guide to starting, running, and growing your bed and breakfast. This course is a comprehensive roadmap for aspiring and current bed and breakfast owners, featuring 5 modules packed with actionable strategies, expert insights, and interactive resources. Click the link below to start your journey to bed and breakfast success and turn your dream into a reality. Don't wait. Your guests are already waiting for you.
Working with contractors. Make sure to find the right fit for your B&B. Choosing the right contractor is essential for ensuring your renovation runs smoothly. A good contractor will help you stay on schedule, manage costs, and bring your vision to life. But finding the perfect match requires some research and planning. So how do you choose the right contractor? We'll start by asking other local business owners and fellow B&B owners for contractor recommendations. Look for contractors who have had experience working on similar projects, especially in hospitality settings. Be sure to check out their reviews, ask for references, and review their previous work to ensure they have a track record of delivering quality results. Get multiple quotes. Before hiring a contractor, get quotes from at least 3 different companies. This will give you an idea of the market rate and help you avoid being overcharged. Don't automatically choose the lowest bid. Consider the quality of materials, experience, and timeline. You have to ask the right questions. During your initial meetings, ask potential contractors about their experience with similar projects, their availability, and how they handle unexpected challenges. Clear communication is key to a successful working relationship, so make sure you feel comfortable with the contractor's approach. Once you've selected a contractor, it is important to establish clear expectations from the start. Have a detailed contract in place that outlines the scope of the project, the timeline, payment schedules, and any contingency plans. This ensures both parties are on the same page and helps prevent misunderstandings down the road. Agree on milestones. Set project milestones such as completing the demolition phase or installing new fixtures, and tie payments into these milestones. This gives you peace of mind that the project is progressing as expected. Schedule regular check-ins. Regular communication is critical. Schedule weekly or bi-weekly check-ins with your contractor to discuss progress, address any issues, and adjust the plan if necessary. I once worked with a B&B owner who joked that her contractor became part of the family. He was over so often. But her frequent check-ins kept the project moving along smoothly and avoided costly delays. Even with the best planning, renovations can sometimes go off track. Managing the project closely and staying organized will help you avoid costly delays and surprises. Monitor your budget regularly. Keep a close eye on your budget throughout the renovation. It's easy for small changes to add up quickly, especially when contractors present you with enticing upgrades or changes. Stick to your original plan as much as possible and only approve changes that are truly necessary. Avoid scope creep. Scope creep occurs when the project's original goals slowly expand beyond what is initially planned. For example, you may start with the intention of updating guest rooms, but then decide to replace all the lighting fixtures in the hallway too. While some of the additional work may be worth it, consistently expanding the scope of the project can lead to budget overruns and delays. Now, with this in mind, you have to prepare for delays. Delays can happen for a variety of reasons: bad weather, material shortages, or unexpected repairs. Build extra time into your project timeline to account for these potential setbacks. Having a buffer will help you reduce stress if the project doesn't go exactly as planned. A B&B owner I know on the east coast of Canada planned to renovate during the off-season, only to be hit by unexpected storms that delayed the project. Because she built in extra time, she was still able to open on schedule for the tourist season. How to renovate without disturbing guests. If you're renovating while your B&B is open for business, it's important to minimize disruptions for your guests. Make sure any noisy or disruptive work happens during low occupancy periods or when guests are out for the day. Inform your guests in advance. Let your guests know about the renovation work before they book their stay. Be upfront about potential noise or disruption so they're not caught off guard. Offer discounts or incentives. If guests are going to be inconvenienced by the renovation, consider offering a discount or a complimentary extra, like a free breakfast or an upgrade to a quieter room.
Overwhelmed by the complex strategies and numbers game of running your bed and breakfast? Let us simplify it for you with our free Crafting the Perfect Stay 25 Essential Insights for Bed and Breakfast Owners PDF. It's as rejuvenating as your morning espresso, chock full of valuable insights. Snag your copy now and start crafting stays that turn guests into advocates.
Have you recently completed a B&B renovation, or are you planning one? Share your experience in the comments. Renovating your bed and breakfast can be a rewarding investment that enhances your guests' experience and helps your business grow. By planning carefully, hiring the right contractor, and managing the renovation closely, you can avoid common pitfalls and complete the project on time and within budget. Remember, a little extra planning and flexibility go a long way in ensuring a successful renovation that wows your guest.
And that's a wrap of today's episode of Beds, Breakfasts, and Business. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Remember, it's more than just the comfy beds and delicious breakfasts. It's about crafting an unforgettable experience. Stay inspired and keep those guest books full. Until next time, sweet dreams and sweeter success.